Okay, lighting is probably terrible, but that's okay because I put way too much self-tanner on my face yesterday or the other day and it's still not gone. But it's been quite a morning. It's 10 o'clock. We're at the gym finally. I had to take Arlo to his ear doctor's appointment to make sure his tubes are all good, and they are all good. He passed a hearing test, which he didn't pass last time we were there, or at the regular doctor's. So all is well with that. And I realized that we had to pack a sack lunch today, so I forgot that. So I was like being crazy this morning, packing a lunch, making breakfast, doing all the things. But now we're finally at the gym, and I'm just gonna be real, I didn't go yesterday and I really don't feel like going today, but we're just gonna get in there and get it done because we have to, because we want to. I always feel so much better when I do. Yesterday I didn't because I was kind of hungover from Sunday, but life happens, you know? I ended up finding my mom's cookie recipe, so that's super duper exciting. I found it. I watched one of my old videos and found it. I originally thought that she had handwritten it and she didn't, which is even more of a bummer because I wish that she had, but I guess it makes me not knowing where it is, I feel better about that. But I have a ton of her handwriting stuff, so it's fine. But yeah, so I'm gonna get all this stuff to make the cookies today. We're gonna do a Target shop with me. That's the moral of this story. I have to pick up a couple things at Target. I figured I would do a shop with me haul situation today as today's video. I don't think I'm gonna post a full 5 videos this week, but I haven't decided. Yes, you guys, I post 5 videos. I don't even know if you know that I have a schedule: Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Sunday. And I upload around noon. I try to. We'll see. I don't know if I should like bombard everybody with videos around Christmas time, but let's go get this workout in. I was like, should I do squats? Yes, we're here. We're gonna go do some freaking squats, okay? Bye. Workout's done. Just ordered a smoothie because I'm gonna run over to Target and do some shopping and stuff. So I picked up a smoothie. I had a $2 off coupon, so heck yeah. Apparently they don't do like a birthday free drink, which is like, what? Or even like a reward for your birthday. That would be fun to like only eat like your rewards on your birthday. I love a good birthday reward. Jimmy John's is a free sandwich, which I honestly need to pick up. I might eat a sandwich for lunch today because I have a free sandwich. All right, let's put ourselves together. Let's go get this smoothie. I'm excited. I got a chocolate trim and slim with peanut butter. So yeah, let's do that, and then we're gonna run over to Target. We were in the I just ordered Arlo a last minute Christmas gift. We were in the doctor's office and there were these little like pop tube things. Have you ever heard of them? They look like an accordion. I don't know, but he was obsessed with it and like cried when the lady took it away because she was like, oh, that's actually another kid in the room's toy. And oh, I thought you were gonna let me go. Never mind, lady, it's fine. But anyways, so she took it away from him and he cried, so I was like, okay. I needed some other little like small gifts and I thought those would be cool and they would be nice to put in his diaper bag too. So, but I have a little bit of a list of things that I need to pick up at Target, and then we've just got some last minute Christmassy sort of stuff to do today. Tomorrow I'm going to meet my little cousin. He's actually my cousin's kid, so my second cousin, I don't know what he is, but I'm gonna go meet him to watch, or I'm gonna pick him up and we're gonna watch the new Spider-Man movie. So I booked tickets for that at Alamo Draft House out in Richardson. I haven't seen him, and yeah, he's on winter break, so I figured he loves movies, so I figured that would be a good thing to do with him. just got out of Target, ended up with way more things for Arlo than he needs. I've never really like had this issue. Like I didn't know that it was an issue that just like when you see stuff, you're just like, have to get it, right? I don't know. He didn't have very many small things to open on Christmas, so I wanted some small stuff. What was I going to look up? Oh, I need to go to Kroger because I wasn't able to find all my mom's cookie stuff at the store, or at Target. So I have to run over there and grab what I need. Where am I? Oh, I don't really want to like go backwards. Never mind. I'll go to the Kroger near my house. Scott's calling me. Whoa. Hello? What's up? I just bought a bunch of random crap for Arlo at Target because I just can't help myself. Yeah, it's like I'm a little Dallas Cowboys sweatshirt, and I got some Elmo Band-Aids because they're just too cute. I got him some Play-Doh that smells funny. I got him a coloring book that has Elmo in it. I know, I can't help myself, but I'm just like, do we not have enough stuff for him to open? I don't know. All right, back from Target. Want to show you everything I got, some random stuff. I love these Good and Gathered sparkle waters. The ginger peach I've tried before and liked it. I decided to grab the cucumber mint. That'd be good. That'd probably be a really good mixer too, and Scott's got gin, so we'll see. I picked up these. I've been meaning to just, it wasn't intentional, I didn't go for these, but I've been wanting just a pair of plain black little sandals, and they have like a square little toe. I like the heel. I have these in tan, so I just wanted to grab them in black, and they were in stock in my size, so I picked them up. If I can find everything, I'll link it down below for you guys. I grabbed, oh, don't come down.
I'm done, I have to come down.
Oh, Douglas?
What?
Not yet. I grabbed these. They're his favorite brand, so I grabbed those. Hold on. And then, what?
What?
Just wait, Douglas. What? Just wait. This also. His favorite. Okay, you can come down now. All right. Super random. I got some green beans and carrots for Arlo because they're like super cheap at Target, and we were out of them. Realized that this morning. I grabbed this for the bathroom. It's the Method bathroom cleaner, eucalyptus mint. Sounded pretty nice. I don't know, I saw this tiny little soccer ball and I couldn't resist for Arlo. It's a little Adidas soccer ball. I figured keeping things like this in the car would be nice for when we go to the park. What is that?
I don't know. You're never gonna guess.
I didn't even ask for anything that big, so how could you have gotten me something that big?
I know, well, maybe I'm just creative and picked out something.
Boy, I'm nervous.
On my own.
Some brown sugar for cookies. I got this little coloring book for Arlo. It has Elmo in it. So yeah, and it's like an activity book. I grabbed some sponges because we need more sponges. Ours are getting gross. Because I was getting Arlo a coloring book, I was like, he's gonna be super mad if he doesn't have crayons there. So I grabbed him these ones, which I thought would be cool. He can't break them. They're twistable ones. And oh shoot, are they not erasable or washable? Oh no. Oh well, it is what it is, but I thought these would be good. I grabbed this, I ran out of it and I really like it. I grew on me. It's the Ordinary Alpha Arbutin, whatever, 2% plus HA. They had an Ulta at that Target, but I want to stop using my vitamin C twice in a day because I go through it super fast, but this does the same sort of concept, so I figure I'll wear this to the gym and then put on my vitamin C before I do all my other skincare. I grabbed these for Arlo because they're just cute. They're little Sesame Street Band-Aids. He's obsessed with Elmo, so yeah. This could go one of two ways. Probably very bad. Is that my stand? This is scented Play-Doh, and I think there's a blueberry, an apple, and a banana. He could eat it. I don't know. We're just gonna try. I grabbed him this little Dallas Cowboys hoodie. Isn't it cute?
Yeah, it's perfect.
It's in a 4T, so he'll be able to wear it hopefully for the next 2 years at least. And then I grabbed this. I don't know if I love it, but I figured we'll try and see. I really wanted to get him something from the Lego collection that Target has, because it's just cute, and I found this in his size. If anything, I can leave it at daycare. It's like a super, super soft color block sort of thing, but thought it would be nice. Little jacket, and they had nothing in stock at mine, so I grabbed it. I grabbed 2 ornaments for Molly and Avery, Scott's niece and nephew, to go on their Christmas presents. I grabbed this for Scott. I'm gonna put stain remover in it upstairs, so that way before you put your laundry into the laundry basket, you can put stain remover on it. Like your pants right now. I figured we could do it with Arlo too. Just be quick, just spray it on there before you throw it in the hamper. Don't you think that's genius?
What a sweet gift.
It's not actually a gift, it's just, okay. Then for the dogs, I grabbed, oh, I don't think I grabbed anything for Miss Winnie again. I'm the worst. I'll grab something for her. This is for Scott's sister's dog, Ziggy. This one is for, I don't know what that dog's name is. Samson. And this one's for Moose. So a bunch of dog treats. I grabbed some sprinkles to decorate cookies with, and I cannot believe I forgot Miss Winnie. She's looking at me like, you're the worst. I'm sorry, Miss Weenies. I give you a big bone, okay? I will, I promise. Okay. And then that was everything that I got at Target. I'll show you really quick what I got at Tom Thumb. Some Crisco, butter flavored Crisco for the cookies. Baking soda. Baking powder. I grabbed 3 things of cream cheese frosting because that's my favorite. This one wouldn't ring up, so he gave it to me for free. How sweet is that? Another thing of frosting, all cream cheese, but just different consistencies, whipped, thick, whatever. Grabbed some food dye to color up some of those. Some buttermilk for the cookies. Some nutmeg, because I don't know how like long spices last, to be honest with you, and I just feel like ours is probably expired and I need to go through them. I never do. Sprinkles. Got some different multicolored, some little chocolate ones, some of these little pearls, and then some gold ones. And then that's everything. That's all I got. I hope you guys enjoyed my little Target shop with me and haul. If you did, let me know by giving me a big thumbs up. And I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, you guys.